Welcome to the Plot Digitizer tutorial for the UN-SCAN-IT software. This tutorial will step you through the automatic plot digitizing process using the UN-SCAN-IT software. A startup screen will appear when the software is opened, and a pop-up menu will allow you to digitize a graph. This option can also be selected from the main Digitize menu or the Digitize toolbar. The UN-SCAN-IT software can digitize a variety of image formats, including TIFF, JPEG, bitmap, GIF, and PNG formats. The image can come from a scanner, digital camera, internet, or other image source. The image to be digitized should be right side up, where the x-axis is in the horizontal direction and the y-axis is in the vertical direction. For this tutorial, we will choose a sample TIFF file. There are multiple graph digitizing modes available, including standard lines, intersecting lines, dash dotted lines, and a manual digitizing mode. These modes are explained further by clicking the question mark button associated with each mode. For this tutorial, we will choose the standard line mode for automatic digitizing. Multiple graph digitizing options will be presented, and you can choose the options that best fit your graph. Since this sample graph contains colored lines, we will choose the color option and accept the remaining default options. These options are explained further by clicking the question mark button associated with each option. The next screen is where you will place the setup icons on the image. General instructions will be presented at the bottom of the screen. Simply drag and drop the setup icons to the desired locations. A zoom window in the upper right corner of the screen can be used for precise location of the setup icons. The color icon identifies the line color you want to digitize. The X-min icon should be placed at the leftmost X-axis scaling mark and the appropriate value entered. A similar process should be used for the X-max, Y-min, and Y-max setup icons. The upper limit icon should be placed above the top of the data line, and the lower limit icon should be placed below the bottom of the data line. The flat spot icon should be placed just above a relatively flat portion of the data line in order to measure the line thickness. The begin icon should be placed at the leftmost part of the data line, and the end icon should be placed at the rightmost part of the data line. After all the setup icons are placed on the image, click the Digitize button in the lower right corner of the screen. If your graph is slightly tilted, the UN-SCAN-IT software will give you the option to correct for that tilt. The UN-SCAN-IT software will then automatically follow the data line. The software can also be paused and continued using the button in the lower right corner of the screen. After the data points are digitized, you can graph the data using the UN-SCAN-IT graphing features discussed in another video, or return to the digitizing screen. The digitized data points can then be saved to an XY data file or copied to the clipboard. The data points can then be pasted into Excel or any other spreadsheet or data analysis program. Thank you for watching our UN-SCAN-IT Plot Digitizer tutorial. Additional video tutorials are available on our Silk Scientific channel. For more information regarding the UN-SCAN-IT software, please visit the website shown here or contact us directly if you need additional information.